Drop that beat. 4 rounds per crew. 4 rounds per crew. Yeah. You guys don't go, I choose. Jungle Zookeepers going first. Jungle Zookeepers going first.
Still on the borderline is surely like this. Approaching of the units is purely. So I'm mentioning it again and again. It's not necessary. Those who comprehend my message very clearly, but not along the way I'm translucent. Throw your hands up, over man's up. Who's sitting invaders on my flip basket, toe a casket, meaning done away. See the fox run away. So as a UMC, I ask myself, who could be the leaders? Resembling the stars out of.
Alright.
As I find the coolest in me.
Okay.
I don't win.
Tell us a soul. We got Cozy on the floor.
360 on the runway stop. And here many more than just one city. U-N-I-D-R-S-A-L. Go on, cause we gave them all one book. My method is a alright. Clearly this world's transparent, so I'll reach down deep. Deliver salvation.
Alright, routine.
The weak, the meek, the mild.
Alright, we got Jim on the floor. Look at the soul.
My symbol is AU, and layman's term gold, so watch me shine through. A new zoo review coming right at you. Kim is coming through. I go on because my strength is that.
Alright.
A mental ingredient.
We got Yuppie Yang on the floor.
Inside the storm, yeah, I neutralize your weaponry to make it more appropriate to do with me, and then I give you one to grow.
I think that I can express it.
Okay.
By dinosaurs.
Okay. Oh, okay. Alright.
Glow on this when you're feeling kind of small. Glow on this to get through life more. Glow on this to have fun for the creators. And when the time came flavor, flow short now, look into the court of authority. You and I versus the majority is what we're looking at here at the count of 3. Let's hit it.
Alright.
UMC is a new way of being. Go on this to make your life seem great. Take control of your
Yeah.
Go on this until you can understand.
Alright, we got Jungle Zookeepers.
Let me tell you when you get love is there. And we doing this just for you. Why? And we doing this just for you. Why? And we doing this. Mírame de frente, represent my people, you know mi gente. Para siempre, DS brothers, stay caliente. How do that for me? 1%. Be straight locking up.
Okay. Alright.
Way I do the opposite. What's the deal with all that hypocrisy? On the real, y'all need to stop jocking with me. Like KRS, what is my philosophy?
Alright.
Set it off with my monopoly. If it ain't over, it's about to be. And the dance floor ain't nothing stopping me.
Alright, we got Jim on the floor.
Criminal, tremendo escándalo. Why?
Okay, Tony, you're going too far now. Fucking testicles and shove it up your fucking ass.
Okay, last round. Last round for Jungle Zookeepers.
No show guys, that shit swinging like so side. Have to go by with toes, no guy. Opposite of so far. Lots of heavy low with Coca-Cola.
Okay.
Stay sold up, it's broke now. I can tell broke out. Like Trinidad and De La Hoya. September 18th, mixtape chains, walk up in the rain. Turntables hanging on lace. Hollywood changes, making track shit.
Okay, last round. Physical soul.
Passion, compliments a dark king, it's a dark thing. Drink, still scheming on that chump king. Chill, son, put away your toast. Make a toast to the hated most. Puerto Rican, ready and go. Out the tone, never leaving the hoes alone. And all the hoes never leaving us alone. While the tone, never leaving the clone at home. In case you gotta put for a big you don't.
Wow! Blew my mind away.
Okay.
Got Cozy on the floor.
Turn to the Jedi. Now tell me who the hell said I couldn't bring you to anywhere you want to get on. From LA back to NY on the red eye. Okay, I'm holding it down on the MI. The MO used to be listening to my demo. On that phone, now it's my problem. I'm talking about
Alright. That's it.
Big half the Bono, you got 60 used to have the Milano. You got your name changed, Victor the Apollo.
Okay.